Welcome to the second part of the video of Chapter 3 Nouns. Page number 14. All places have names. All the places have different names. For example, library. Library is a place where we go to read books. Office. We go to the office to work. Kitchen. Garden. These are the names of the places. Let us do the exercise related to name of the places. E. Circle the correct names of places. In this question, we have to circle the correct names of places. There are two options for us. We have to circle any one of them. First, this is done for you. A farmer plucks the field or school. A farmer always works in a field. So, a farmer plucks the field, not school. Second, Anne went to the garden or market to buy biscuits. Can you see this girl? She is Anne and she is in the market. So the correct option will be market. So we will circle this. Third, we saw two baby giraffes at the... Where do we saw animals? In the kitchen or at the zoo? Zoo, obviously. We will see in this picture also. This is a zoo. So the correct option will be zoo. We saw two baby giraffes at the zoo. Fourth, Granny goes for a walk in the... Granny goes for a walk in the shop or park. Shop is not a place to walk. So the correct option will be park. We will also see in the picture. This is a beautiful park. And she is Granny. She goes for a walk in the park. Fifth, the children are swimming in the sea or street. Sea. The children are swimming in the sea. This is a sea. So we will circle this. Page number 15. All animals have names. Examples: lion, sparrow, tiger, eagle. These all are animals and they all have different names. F. Circle the names of animals. This question is a very easy question. You have to just circle the names of animals. I have done this for you. Just check it. First, a nut fell on the hen. Hen is a animal. Second, the little dog laughed at the cow. In this sentence, there are two names of the animals, cow and dog. Third, the monkeys took away all the caps. Monkeys. Fourth, a hare and a tortoise lived in a jungle. So again in this there are two animals' name, hare and tortoise. Next question, G. Look at this picture. Look at this picture, dear children. The names of some animals are given. Complete the names of the other animals. So this you have to do it by yourself. There are so many animals. The names of some animals are already given and you have to complete the rest other names. So this you have to do it by your own. I have marked this question as homework. So this you have to do it as your homework. Coming to page number 16. All things have names. All things have names. Examples: table, pencil, comb, brush. There are so many things that have names. You can see so many things around you. H. In each group of words, circle the names of things. In this, you have to circle the names of things in each group of words. First, sparrow, bag, tiger, goat. Sparrow, tiger, and goat are the names of animals. Sparrow is a bird. So, bag is already circled for you, as this is the name of thing. Second, mother, father, top, brother. Mother, father and brother are the names of person. So, we will circle top. Top is a thing. Third, rabbit, lion, pigeon, hut. So we will circle hut. Hut is a name of thing. Fourth, school, pen, market, library. School, market and library are the names of place. So pen is a thing. Pen is an object. So we will circle pen. Next question. I. Write P for person. We will write capital P for person, A for animal or T for thing. So let us see this question. First one, mango. Mango is a thing. Mango is a fruit. So we will count it in thing. Second, uncle. Uncle is a person. So we will write here P. Camel. Camel is an animal. So we will write A here. Ant. Ant is an insect. So we will write here A. We will write A here. It comes under animal. Fifth, tray. Tray in which we serve coffee, tea or water. So tray is a thing. So we will write T here. Sixth, crow. Crow, animal. Lizard, also an animal. Postman. Postman is a person. Bus. Bus is thing. Then drum. Drum, again a thing. Alright. J. Guess our names. You have to look at the pictures and with the help of these pictures you have to guess the names. First, I cannot live on land. I am a... What is this? This is a fish. Fish cannot live on land. Fish lives in water. Fish is an aquatic animal. Aquatic means that lives in water. Second, I make honey. I am a honeybee. Honeybee makes honey. Honey is very sweet in taste. Honey, B-E-E-B, honeybee. Page number 17. K. Choose words from the box right below each picture. Again, this is a picture-based question. This you have to try to do it by your own self after looking at the pictures. First, this is already done for you. Children are playing in the park. So this is the picture of a park. Second, this is a doctor. Third, bell. Fourth, well. BELL, bell. This is a ringing bell. And this is a well. Fifth, potter. Potter makes pot. Sixth, table. A wooden table. Seventh, plate. Eighth, kitchen. Ninth, monkey. Monkey is an animal. 10th, again an animal, goat. Goat. 11th, tailor. Tailor stitches cloths. Page number 18. L. Write the words from exercise K. The last question that which you have done. Under the correct headings, add words of your own in the blanks. You can add words of your own also in the given blanks. And you have to write the words from the exercise K, that which you have done previously. So, there are 4 columns given. 4 headings given. Person, place, animal and thing. So, in this column, in the first column, person, potter, doctor and tailor. And 2 more you have to find it out by yourself and you have to write it by yourself. Place, park, well and kitchen. Animal, monkey and goat. 3 more animal name you have to write. Thing, bell, plate, table. These are things. 2 more you have to write it by yourself. Coming to the next exercise, one and many words. Look at the pictures and read the words. We have to look at the pictures and then we will read the words. This is a picture of the goat. One goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And many goats. These are 3 goats. One, many. So for one, we will only use goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And for many, we will use S. We will use S at last. Goats. G-O-A-T. After adding S, it will become goats. Many goats. Similarly, one lemon, many lemons. We have added S to it. So, many lemons. That means more than one. So, similarly, we will solve our next question. M. Make many words by adding S. You have to just add S after each and every word in this question. For example, plate, plates. Horse, horses. Pup, pups. Kite, kites. Pen, pens. Star, stars. Balloon, balloons. Pear, pears. Lion, lions. Bird, birds. You have to just add S to the words. Okay, so coming to the last page of the chapter, page number 19. N. Make one words by dropping the S. In the last question, we made many words by adding S. Now in this question, we will drop the S. And we will make one word. That means, roses, we will drop S. And the new word will be rose. Hence, after dropping S, hen. Similarly, shoes, shoe. Lamps, lamb. Balls, ball. Beds, bed. Monkeys, monkey. Cats, cat. Apples, apple. Toys, toy. This is again a very easy question. O. Make many words for the nouns in the box. Fill in the blanks with the words you have made. You have to make many words. That means you have to add S to each and every word here in this question. And you have to then fill in the blanks with the words you have made. So let us do this. First, there are 6 dash on the cake. There are 6. 6 are candles. So there are 6 candles. So the word was in the box. What was the word? Candle. So we will make candles. 6 candles. Second, there are 2 dash in the week. There are 2 holiday. So we will write holidays. We will add S to it. Holidays in the week. Third, the ship sailed on the sea. The ship sailed on the sea. So we will make ships. The ships sailed on the sea. Fourth, I see with my eyes. EYE, we will add S. I see with my eyes. Fifth, my pet cat gave birth to 5 kittens. 5 kittens. Sixth, I hear with my ears. We hear with our ears. Seventh, I have 5 books in my bag. What do we carry in our bag? Books. I have 5 books in my bag. Eighth, the hungry squirrel looked for some nuts. Hungry squirrel looked for some nuts. N-U-T-S, nuts. Okay, so dear children, this was all about our chapter and exercise question. Hope you liked the chapter. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you and have a wonderful day.